So this is our room. Our door. Peephole. As we walk in, our entryway. Our luggage rack. Here's a closet. And there's stuff in there. Like an ironing board. And a safe. Can't see it though. Okay. In the bathroom, there's a full mirror on the door, which is cool. I put towels on the floor because it's ice cold. So this is our bathroom. Not a bad little bathroom. And then our shower. Lots of towels. Bunch of towels. And dual shower heads. So that's going to be different. Not when we get a robe. Comes with the room. Just to borrow though. Don't get to keep. Okay, so we're walking. Another full-length mirror. The Cadenza TV stand. And our bed. There's David. We keep him too. Can you turn on the light? Lights over there. And we got a little refrigerator under here. Kind of sucks, but it's kind of cool too. And then that just closes up. A little cabinet. Another mirror. Because I am so vain, I need to see myself all the time. And comfortable chair. Our big ass Bayview window. I guess it's a Bayview. Another chair, end table. Our bed again. And that's it. That's our room.